2005 Winnebago Journey 36G for sale in Martinsville, Indiana 46151. Spread your wings and fly with this 2005 Winnebago Journey 36G. This Class A motorhome is 36.5 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. This RV has 2 slide-outs to enlarge living room and bedroom, 2 power awnings, 3 manual awnings, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera, power mirrors, and captain's chairs. With only 115,388 miles, you can rest assured that this Winnebago Journey will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2005 Winnebago Journey 36G is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. This Journey has all top-end options with smart wheel steering system, all leather seating, electric leather sofa sleeper, carpeted floors, Corian countertop, largest water heater, with 3-way heating, and largest generator, 7,500 Onan Diesel. TrueAir, residential central heat and air conditioning in basement with digital thermostat. OnePlace systems center to monitor all motorhome systems in one location. 93-gallon freshwater tank, 2 54-gallon waste tanks. Plenty of capacity for boondocking. Beautiful styled and polished alloy wheels with chrome Freightliner covers. Includes Cat C7 350 horsepower turbodiesel engine and top-of-the-line Allison 3000 mH 6-speed heavy-duty transmission. Air suspension and brakes for great stability. All new LED bulbs throughout interior for better lighting and less power drain. 2 slides to enlarge living room and bedroom. Select comfort queen-size sleep number bed with gel pad, very comfortable. Built-in rear camera. Cruise control. Air horns. Intermittent wipers. Automatic leveling. Heated mirrors. Exhaust brake. Gas stove and microwave, convection oven. 2 flat screen TVs with DVD, VCR, rooftop antenna and dish, video control system panel, cable hookups. Exterior sound system with DV connections. Patriot II tow vehicle brake system and blue ox tow bar, worth $3,000. Full canvas vehicle cover, new tire chains, 4 jacking pads with handles, new tire covers, new mudguard to protect tow vehicle. Recent services include, all new tires in September 2019, refrigerator cooling unit, cab air conditioning. Both refrigerator and cab AC run very cold. 3 new house batteries just installed. Complete oil changes with AMSOIL 15W40 on engine and generator at 109k miles, new fuel and air filters, new radiator, hoses, pulleys, belts. New 30-gallon propane tank. Newer chassis batteries in 2019. This 2005 Winnebago Journey 36G is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Winnebago is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A motorhome 2005 Winnebago Journey 36G.